Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem we are tackling today. We have a situation where someone is struggling with swapping two blocks of configuration in a file using awk. It seems they've tried using two separate awk commands to identify the blocks, but now they are looking for a way to combine them into a single solution. It's a common issue when dealing with text manipulation in files, and the user just needs a little help in optimizing their approach. Let's see how we can assist in solving this problem efficiently. Moving on to the solution, we have a clever awk script that specifically targets the blocks that start with code.change and code.test in the file. By setting the record separator as a blank line, the script identifies the positions of the two blocks and then swaps them accordingly. It stores each record in an array, swaps the positions of the identified blocks, and finally prints out the updated configuration file with the blocks swapped. It's a neat and concise solution that effectively addresses the problem at hand. Sometimes, a simple and elegant script is all you need to solve a pesky issue like this one. In summary, we've successfully tackled the challenge of swapping two blocks of configuration in a file using a well-crafted awk script. By intelligently manipulating the records and positions within the file, we've managed to swap the blocks seamlessly. I hope this solution proves helpful to anyone facing a similar dilemma in the future. Remember, a little bit of awk magic can go a long way in streamlining your text processing tasks. Thanks for joining in today, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy scripting and may your code always run smoothly.